I finished the bucket list, darling. I ate chole bhature, I ate rajma chawal at Jain Chawal Center on the road. Literally, I love it. And then I had chaat. I've also done the meetha as much as I could. Like moong dal halwa is
बॉम्बे जाके क्या खाओगे?
कुछ नहीं, सर्व करूंगी अपने आप को ताकि वो जितना खाया है वो कैलोरीज बर्न हो जाए. Delhi food is much yummier and wholesome and a lot of calories. I think my key is motivation. If I have the right motivation, then I'll do anything.
So with me we have the gorgeous Nusrat Bharucha. Ma'am, first of all, welcome to Delhi, and how is the weather treating you?
Y'all are in suits and boots and pants, and we are in backless and high slits, freezing. But I think I've gotten a little used to it. It's my third day here, so I'm slightly braving it now.
You said that you were a big foodie.
I still
So
am.
you are still. So you are in Delhi. What is there on your bucket list? What are you
I
gonna eat?
finished the bucket list, darling. I ate chole bhature, I ate rajma chawal at Jain Chawal Center on the road. Literally, I love it. And then I had chaat. I've also done the meetha as much as I could. Like moong dal halwa is my absolute weakness. So खा चुकी मैं सब. अब मैं बॉम्बे जा रही हूँ अभी.
Oh, बॉम्बे जाके क्या खाओगे?
कुछ नहीं, सर्व करूंगी अपने आप को ताकि वो जितना खाया है वो कैलोरीज बर्न हो जाए.
So that means you're saying that Delhi food is better than Bombay food.
I mean, I don't have to say it. It's pretty
It's pretty
evident.
obvious.
Delhi food is much yummier and wholesome and a lot of calories. But yeah,
Okay, so we are here at the Fitness Awards. So what is the secret of your fitness?
I don't know, yeah. I mean, if I have to shoot something and if like I just announced a song today with Honey Singh.
Yeah.
So if I have to shoot something, I go in power drive, overdrive mode to
Yeah.
become fit and fab. Or there has to be some motivation. So I think my key is motivation. If I have the
Yeah.
right motivation, then I'll do anything.
So you just announced a song with Honey Singh, as you just told. So how excited you are?
Very, because it's my dance song with him after 3 years of Sanyaji. I did Sanyaji 3 years back.
Yeah.
And that has crossed, I don't know, 500, 600 million
Yes, it
views.
did, yes, it did.
So I'm hoping this one also kind of has its due.
I would also want to talk to you about your upcoming movie Chori 2.
Yeah.
So how excited you are, and you being the lead actress and you redefining women in cinema. So what are your opinions about it?
I'm not redefining it. I'm actually just falling behind or taking the steps of some people who braved in it and gone ahead and done female-centric films and women protagonist stories. I'm just very glad to walk in those steps. Very excited because it's part 2
Yeah.
of a film which also doesn't happen very often. So we're just very we're very honored, I think the whole team, and we are very responsible about it. So we just hope the film is going to live up to all those expectations.
At last, just one thing that you would want to say to the audience for their fitness, for their well-being.
Just try and do some form of exercise every day. It kind of really gets you pumped. And I think it also will give you the discipline to keep at it. आप 4 दिन जाओगे तो आप 5वें दिन भी जाओगे. But आप 1 दिन मिस कर दोगे, 2 दिन मिस कर दोगे तो आप अगले दिन जाओगे नहीं. So I just feel like keep consistent with it and enjoy it. Enjoy the workouts you do.
Yeah, that was great conversation. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Most welcome.